Hey, what's up peeps? My name is DuttyBerry and welcome to my brand new vlog series called Do Road with Dutty. Now basically this is just where I'm kind of showing my day-to-day activities when I'm up and about, I do work or I enjoy myself, you know? So you can get to see what it's like being DuttyBerry. So if you don't know people, I really and truly love Montego Bay. I love the parish of St. James. Any excuse I get to be there is a good excuse for me. It come like me getting to travel without soaring to new heights.
So right about now I'm at Doctor's Cave Beach inside Montego Bay. I'm kind of tired still.
Tell him now, you have to tell him. Me have it to one brother.
Vlogging for YouTube. Look at the fish. Where them gone? Yeah, there have a couple of them out there, so. Jamaica nice. Watch there. What the hell if my phone got drop right there, so? And this damn couple over the beach and stop so out down and a kiss. Watch there. Like at the first time I come at beach.
So then I buck up this disobedient tourist. You should not be, what you call it, fishing, you know, at the Doctor's Cave Beach. I've been trying to get the hang of this whole entire swimming thing. So I did try float, but yeah, it never did work out. All me try float, me just end up a sink like the Titanic. You see, I wanted to point them in the water, and all of a sudden, I just see them little snake-looking fish up, and they just a zoom, zoom, zoom. Just a zoops past me in the water. I say, what the hell? I don't know if something come kill me. But then turns out that they, you know, them never harmful, and them just a swimming in them habitat. So after all of that fun, it was time for me to head back into Montego Bay town, Mobile, what them call downtown. Oh, by the way, big up Deja Resort, you know, big up the people them down there, yeah. So going to the town now, I say, you know, I'm going to take a taxi. I jump in the taxi and when me in there now is me see the driver and this brother in the front seat. And same time now, it kicked to me, say, bong, kiddy, dos, me there, Mobile. Mobile, we have the little scamming issue and the little pew, 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 will just randomly occur at any moment. And me in a taxi with people who I don't know. I don't know them driver here. Next thing me know, say me in there and the driver go owe people money because I'm involved in a certain things. And then me end up in a mix-up. So you see, while me there, me make sure say itch up, me the anima get set go mode. Me just itch up right at the seat run at the back. Because anything I go pop off, I jump and stop, drop and roll.
You better know! This girl and you want to go all alone. But I'm going to sitting just like you.
No, play it again! Again! No, my girl, no, the girl doesn't look fun, so what goes around comes around.
If a girl go like she do something, if you're married, you get your money never answer. It is okay, waste my time, but that time they do. This girl and you want to go all alone. Suppose my girl...
No one preachers in your genius straight away down the street.
So I inside my phone. Then
you know why?
My style and news. My style and news.
Don't breathe them you and we say
Okay, so let's get to the official reason why I was there in Montego Bay. I went to Montego Bay because Mellow FM reached out to me and said they want an interview with me and BarryG. And while me there, we're supposed to do little interviews and drops with everything else. associated with the station. I'm saying sure, no problem. I met BarryG some months ago when I was doing some work with Flo in St. Thomas, and him bring me on a radio station live, and do a little impromptu interview, and him tell me, say, Barry, I would love to have you on Mellow FM in the future. And I say, alright, BarryG, but yeah, things that them people just run off them out, But him actually showed me up and say, yo, forward a Montego Bay for the interview and for the day, and me just say sure. So when me reach now, me totally forget to them say, a blue screen you gotta work with, so make sure say you don't in a one blue shirt. Me reach there in a one blue shirt. So you know what they had to do? Go across the road to this local designer in a Montego Bay downtown. I can't remember the brother name now. And while me did there now, them just make him, them fling on one of them designer shirt, them give me one orange shirt. So basically me they end up look like a PNPYO member.
Alright, so what's up, Burritos? I'm here in a Montego Bay at Mellow FM. Apparently, I have an all-day shoot with them, interviews and all kind of something there. So let's just see what my bay has to offer. I'm kind of tired. See my PNP color. Watch it. No, watch it. I'm not sure anybody know watch it. Watch it. My potential look good. That is not. Are you taking pictures?
We're sweat.
It's from Ave Maria. Oh, I feel for the person who's listening to this. I do. I apologize.
So then I was asked to host this show on Mellow TV called Mellow Music, where I had to give my top 5, favorite songs. Top 5 or top 10 favorite songs.
State who I am, talk about, the songs that I have coming up.
Why you chose, like talk about, this is a very particular playlist.
Yeah.
About whatever your reasons for choosing stuff. Talk about the first song and then we go to the video. And then we'll back sell the video and do the next video.
Mellow music.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready, guys? Action.
What's up, peeps? As you know by now from yesterday cap and yesterday glasses, I'm not having a bow tie today. But my name is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to Mellow Music. I'm off for the stop. Ready? Come on, go again.
Go ahead.
Box cover was the people from yesterday glasses, yesterday gap and all them something there minus the bow tie. You should know that it is me, TheDuttyBerry, and welcome to Mellow Music. Now today, I'm going to share some of the songs that I like, that I kind of get inspired by from time to time. Because as a young person, I'm really interested in not just 2016 music, I like old music, I like current music and music way in the middle. So I want to check out my first song, and the first song I'm going to have on my countdown is Solange Knowles, Cranes in the Sky. Now why am I like the song here? Because it's new, it's fresh, it have a little India, we call it India R.E., Erica Badu sort of vibe, or something where you can sit down and go one dinner and listen to little poetry and painting and then little stuff there. It just put you in a little yoga mode. So check it out. Solange Knowles, Cranes in the Sky. Moving on to the next song from my little playlist is Judena with Little Bit More. Now I'm going to tell you, this video was actually shot in Jamaica, not Nigeria or any other part of Africa, according to what some people think. It was shot in Jamaica at Hellshot. I never know say Hellshot, it looks so good. But check it out, Judena's Little Bit More. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So I did a parody of 3 songs, Slow Motion, and it named Need Lotion. And I did that video with the lovely Camille Davis yesterday, and I had to play them. So, just check it out. TheDuttyBerry Need Lotion.
No must start for teacher for do the whip. Yeah. Keep your body firm so you do not slip. Stacy, me look down and see your pedicure. Me did I feel make you know you
need lotion.
You need lotion. If it's a dry, bring tear to me eyes, Stacy. You need lotion.
Before I move on with the going down, I'm going to cut to some commercial. Oh God, ready. Go again, ready. Alright,
Whenever you're ready.
For Forgive the people for that song, you know, it was my first attempt at my music career, alright? But before we move on, I have to pay some bills, money I have to make, you know, like bill and then do something I have to take care of. So when I cut to a break on there, who don't know, no. People, you can't tell me say they don't know that song. Who don't know that? No. Don't they? The song sell off like thing food in the hurricane season. So we're gonna move on now to the next song, and this is Don't Let Me Down. Alright, we'll stop right there. So now to the final song on my list is G's and P. When I say I love this song, I love this song from the bottom of my football. I love this song so much. This is My Princess Gone by John Mason. We need some more reggae music like this. We need to bring back the sort of vibe here in 2016 and 2017. Check it out, John Mason, My Princess Gone. Well, that's it, people. We're going to enjoy everything. But I'm sorry, I have to go. I have things to do, places to go. This was TheDuttyBerry's takeover of Mellow Music. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you appreciated the musical selection because me thinks them shot, so hopefully you think them shot too. Well, if you want to keep up with me on social media, it is TheDuttyBerryShow on Instagram. That is at DUTTYBERRY. I must not spell show. TheDuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, anywhere. And don't forget my YouTube as well. Make sure that you subscribe. Alright, take care. Until next time.
Awesome.
So that was good, and then we get to do them some little drops, you know, them little selector type of vibe the way you give little drops. I know it was kind of like my fourth time doing it, so many kind of rusty. Bag of mistakes we make, but oh, they really care.
Sister, little lead. Yeah, you ready? So, we're gonna do about 4 drops first. Yeah? Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna vary the camera. Use it as a warm up for the TV. Yeah, we'll still do it. We did record it and take the sound off. Okay.
Ready?
Yep, you're ready.
Go. Box cover, this is our TheDuttyBerry and you're listening to Mellow FM.
That was great. Great engine. Do a safety.
One more. This is our TheDuttyBerry and you're listening to Ron Bochette on Mellow Daybreak. Keep it locked. TheDuttyBerry, yeah, alright.
Ready?
Everywhere. Watching on the TV. Everywhere. Box cover, this is our TheDuttyBerry and you're watching Mellow TV. Them there everywhere. East. Oh god, this is not even East. I'm so sorry. Is this East? Go.
Yeah, go. Action.
My word, my sentence, my paragraph. You are watching BarryG live.
Words. Family.
Food, oh, food,
Love.
me,
TheDuttyBerry.
fun,
Usain Bolt.
fast,
Infidelity.
Adele,
Vibes Kartel.
fever,
Music.
dance,
Inspiration.
Wendy,
Money.
bank,
Religion.
church,
Crime.
violence,
Politics.
Porsche,
Books.
school,
Food.
yum,
Fun.
me,
Okay, this is my.
Alright, this is mine.
So end on here, yeah. This is my Mellow Minute. Okay. So start here and then change that camera.
Oh, start here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Woo. Box cover. This is da-da-da. This is my Mellow Minute.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and this is my Mellow Minute.
Awesome.
Then finally the moment when I actually reach Montego. In the evening part, then bring me on for get me interview from BarryG. I know BarryG type of thing.
BarryG, the boogeyman. Brainstorm. BarryG, the boogeyman. BarryG be like, did you know there are 14, not 1, 14 parishes in Jamaica? I kid you not. I kid you not. It's on the thing called the internet.
Anyways, I had a cool interview. I was just super humbled to just be in this brother's presence. And at one point, I kind of said like a friend reach from my face. So then afterwards, when we finish the interview, now we step out and realize we not even get a picture. How can you meet and do an interview like that and you don't take a picture for social media? So I went around there and I got my picture.
Oh yeah, so I'm just done do my interview with BarryG. I totally forgot some not even take a picture. I rope him in. But make sure say everything is good.
Yes, you want our...
Alright, say YouTube massive there with a legendary. See me now, BarryG. Say something to the YouTube people there.
The senior BarryG, after 40 years on radio, having the junior DuttyBerry, come look for me. But I tell you what, it make merry mellow. It
See
make,
there?
you
Quite
make
so.
mellow merry, DuttyBerry.
I like it.
Lyrics.
BarryG, how much years did you do radio now?
No. I started radio September 1975.
How you remember the date there? Because I don't even remember the first video I ever put up. How you remember the date?
I was 17 years old when I started.
Whoa.
The youngest broadcaster on radio. And after 1 year, #1, and I haven't folded since. Been rocking since.
Whoa.
By the way, to show you how long I've been doing it, and longevity is still going, listen to me. Ow.
May I try, come on to the radio thing.
Say ow.
Manan, ow. Nah, it not go on. Alright.
Great job.
No, but here, let me ask you this now.
And then for some reason, BarryG felt like him the need to fight me and chop me in my chest.
Since you may have got some more use a box cover, that's what I'm like.
Yes.
But you have to use your hand so, and like your box cover, one of the zig feet. So let's say box cover, it have to come from like, ready?
Box cover.
No, where have it come? No, look on that. No. How wicked is to see that? We have a soup.
Alright. Box cover.
Alright, see it there. Oh, sure.
Yeah, we need that. Come.
Oh, picture time?
Yes. Natalie.
Background.
You think you got social media?
Oh, that's all it's
And
got
a
the
woman
front
like
camera.
a
The
pose.
front camera.
When Natalie done with you,
that's
when Natalie done with you, tenfold your hips. Come now.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Yeah, man.
Well, that's it, people. Thank you for watching the second in the series, Do Road with Dutty. Make sure to say a comment, okay? Comment below. If you have somewhere that you want to invite me to, if it's a nice little function, if you're linked with a hotel or anything like that, feel free to comment and invite me, and so we can do a little vlog series, you know, at the thing. Alright, take care until next time, peeps. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share as well, and don't forget to subscribe. I need the support, okay? Take care.